these skills superb. Right over there to the wall. Show you some. I'm the king right here. Might got the sky blue tail on us, but don't look like nothing. Nothing ain't bite on that round. See if I can get some to bite. Might be this dang worm you done gave me. Sabotage me. Rip some lips. Yeah, you should have came. We should have just came here to Lake Park. Got one. Got one. Hey, hey. Got one. I at least catch one fish every day. Hey, I'm the king. What we was talking about? Yeah, yeah. Hey, can't let you do me like that. Yeah. Come a little nice little one. Little small Johnny. I'll call you Johnny. Alright, now go out there and make us some more fish. Yeah. Yeah. So I'm out here, y'all. I'm doing my thing. You know, we out here catching these bass. Huh? Upload what? This one? Yeah, these fishes do know my name. Fishes know me as King. Yeah, these fish know my name when I come out here. They know when I come out here, it's time to come on up out that water. Well, you sound like a real big hater. fish know what's up. These fish know what's up. I had to come out here and put my foot down. Caught another one. Caught another one. Oh, back to back. Oh, this a big one. This a big one. Ooh, this a big one. Yes. Come on up out of that water, baby. Yeah. The king. The king is here. Huh? Oh, he about a pound. He could be more. I hope he didn't swallow my hook. Stop. Yeah, he big one. Big boy. He almost swallowed my hook. I caught him right in the bottom of his mouth. Yeah. Yeah. 2 back to back, baby. Who the king? Yeah, who the king? Yeah. Yeah. Big boy out here doing this thing in these streets. Look at that mouth. Look at that mouth, y'all. I want to get it up close. Nah, this fish right here, this bass want to talk to y'all now. Please go subscribe to Bass Addicts. Thank you for watching the video. Josh, you are the king. We're going to put it back, y'all. He was a big boy. So big, I got to go get my rag to wash these hands. Because a king is worthy of a bathing of his hands. Hey, while I'm talking to y'all on this video, I got Will in my ear on the phone. You know, he's feeling a little salty, y'all. So, cause he was talking cash smack. You know, cause I ain't catch no fish today. So I had to come on out here and show him that I was just trying to let him get his pride back, y'all.